model, 66-plate Peugeot Partner L1 diesel 851.6 BlueHDi 100 professional van. Non-runner, Euro 6 ULEZ. Open mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 100398. MOT, 2 November 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FD, BHY-B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none-runner, timing belt has snapped. Easy repair if you know what you're doing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, air-con, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HP